Hi, this is Ed Reyes with Master Builders from Tampa, Florida. On behalf of Expert Village, this is how you use and maintain a miter saw. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to change this blade is, of course, first of all, you want to unplug your unit so that you have no power coming to the actual machine. Once you've done that, the next thing you do is there's a little black button right here, and you push in. That button will lock the blade. The blade is locked. On this other side, there is a section right here where an Allen wrench fits. As you depress this button, you retract the Allen wrench, which will loosen this spindle, and you unscrew it out, pull the blade out, put another blade in. Always remember the teeth are always facing down. When you're cutting a new blade, the teeth always face down. As you put the spindle back on, tighten it loosely, depress the button again, and tighten it as far as you can, and make sure that that blade is tight and not loose at all. And that's how you change the blade.